All right, we have a couple of coats of CleanArmor Buffalo Gloss, and just going to take a video. I'm outside experiencing some beautiful sunshine on a beautiful autumn day. That next for the Blackbird Special, and it's in black. This one is a Spanish cedar with a burnt sienna finish over just lovely wood, and you can see a lovely reflection. CleanArmor, this has been sprayed on using a 1.3 millimeter tip, and it sprays on luxuriously. It is so amazing. It is so smooth to the touch, and aside from having to do, you know, some sanding prep, this is a beautiful finish to work with, and I absolutely love it. And you can just see how beautiful that is. And that's just right out of the can. 5 minutes and you're done. Here's a shot of the headstock for the Blackbird. So excited about these guitars. Anyways, thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed that.